it's your girl Shika Beats. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I mainly focus on doing hair, makeup, and lifestyle, and a bit of everything. So, yeah, today I will be showing you guys my morning routine. This is a typical morning routine that everyone does: wake up, spread my bed, brush my teeth, bed, go work, eat breakfast. Sometimes in this morning routine, and I know I've been missing for quite some time now. Your girl has been going through some issues, but I'm here, I'm back. As you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm finally getting back into the mind frame. Not that I wasn't into the mind frame, but I've been going through a lot personal issues, but I'm here back on my feet, here to record and give you guys content, so you can continue watching my morning routine, and this is what I do. So yeah, and please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on what you guys want to see next. I really appreciate y'all. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, if you're new here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Before you subscribe, you guys want to know what this is all about. So on this channel, I focus on hair, makeup, lifestyle, beauty, business, every little thing focus on right here. However, I've been missing for quite some time due to the fact that I've been going through a lot. As you can see, I'm in a total different environment, a total different background. Your girl has moved out, and I'm now in my own apartment. Yeah, so I've got my own apartment, and that's the reason why your girl has been missing. I think it's time. Even though it's not the first, I've been living by myself, but I'm back to be living by myself. I'm no longer living with my mom, and I'm here. I'm back. So hopefully, your girl will be producing content. A lot of hair content, makeup content, lifestyle content, and stuff. I'm not gonna talk too much coming on disappoint. You understand? Yes. So I'm trying this talking thing and stuff. See how I like it so far. I don't know why every time I come back camera with a blush like me idiot. But yeah, so I am back. That's the reason why I haven't posted in a month, but I'm just letting you guys know that I am still here. I haven't forget you guys, and I love you all, my little supporters, my 295 supporters. I love y'all. Anyway, so I don't know if I should put my son on this channel or not, or I should keep him private. I'm thinking about to put him on my channel. I'm not sure because he's very young and I don't want him into the world like that. So maybe not. Maybe you guys will see a little glimpse now and then. But comment down below what I should do. Should I keep him private or should I put him on the channel? using my front camera because I want to see myself, but I know the quality I should use the back camera. Yeah. We just did a prank today. We really have a bee. I'm gonna do pranks. Yeah. Actual ear. If you guys want to see my video where I cut off my hair from cream to natural.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. That you gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah, I don't need your help. I don't.
26, 27, 28. I don't know. But today is Tuesday, and I just come home and I cook some food. Yeah, I'm like a booby sleeping. And yeah, I'm trying out this vlogging thing, and I like it so far. So today what I did a hair at my community salon, a bleach a wig and stuff. So one of these days I'm gonna take you guys to work with me, let you guys see what I do on the road. But it's quite awkward to go in public and vlog though, but this is my first vlog, so I'm going to take my time and practice, because I know that this is a skill. Yeah, so I'm cooking some curry chicken and white rice for my dinner. I'm gonna take a shower and think about some content ideas. I don't know why I find it so hard to find content to post, and like literally everything you do is content. Yeah, but more and more content when we talk to the camera and not voice over, because I don't feel like I'm having a connection with you guys when I voice over any video. So yeah, and yeah, get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 250, what, 56, and I'm pretty grateful, taking my time and growing. And as I was saying, comment down below if I should feature my son on this vlog or I should hide him. This channel I'm going to do a bit of every little thing because I really like business. I really like to talk about business. Means that we're going on to the business topic. Can you guys please take the time out to follow my business page, which is I have not launched as yet, by the name of Chica Beats _ varieties. There I will be selling home decors and stuff, appliances and all of these very nice stuff. I will be selling on there. If you want to hear about my entrepreneurship journey, you can watch my previous video. I'm going to put the link over here, or put the thumbnail on the screen so you guys can see my life as an entrepreneur so far. I have a love for businesses, full 100. But you know, I'm not going to be successful. Let me not say I'm not going to be successful. I haven't figured out that business that's going to bring me success as yet. I think this business, the home decor, is going to bring me great success. Yeah, because I'm no longer selling clothes nor any of that I normally do. Not going to talk a lot about that. As I stated, go and watch that video if you want to hear about my entrepreneurship journey. So please head over to my Instagram at Chica Beats _ variety. I'm going to put it on the screen, and follow my business page, and also to support, yeah, and also share. And yes, so right now I cook my dinner. Do a next video on how to start a YouTube channel. From how me start mine, I'm gonna make you know how me start my YouTube channel. I'm good at procrastinating. I procrastinate a lot before I started my channel. A lot, even though I'm still procrastinating, but I am still going to produce content because I love this. I don't know what's holding me back. My mind. It's my mind. So food soon gonna cook, and then I'm gonna bathe my skin, take a nice shower, and then go sleep it tomorrow morning. Cause as I said, me need rest. My body pop down, pop all the way down. Mama baby, we feel like we fall in love with this vlogging thing. I mean, alone can't wait to be booed up and take a vacation, go one of them small island there with my boo. My God, yo, me can't wait, you know. Me love go out and have dinner. Plus, more one what if a businesses, which I will not disclose. Yeah, but I can't wait to be booed up and fly out and all these things. Yeah, I've been to the US already, and I've been to Galveston, and I had a pretty good time over there. So just imagine the rest of small islands and small country and so. And no, I do not have a visa. It was on J1 program. Today I'm going to Knoxford Express to collect one of my package. Hopefully it's there because I told the girl to send it on Tuesday. According to her, the money did not show in the account, so she's not going to send it until today, and I needed it for today. Whew, I'm a bit sick this morning, but I'm trying.